Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Andy back again from the underground. Today we're taking a look at the Darko lifting quick mount bracket for Voltra 1 in stainless steel, as well as other Voltra mounts that I have, what I like about them and what I don't like about them, which ones I recommend, and the use cases that you can have with them. So with the Voltra 1, when you first buy it, you actually don't get a mount that comes standard with it. You have to purchase another mount. And those mounts can range from anywhere between like $50 to like $300 depending on what kind of mount that you want. And the Darko lifting one is a collaboration between Darko and Dr. Taddy Waffles to make this Voltra quick mount. And it's actually my favorite one so far. It's lightweight, it's easy to maneuver around, and overall I just really like how versatile it is. And with these quick mounts, you could basically put them on any 3x3 upright with 1-inch holes. And it also comes with a shim kit if you need to have a tighter fit. And I actually already have the original one, the black version that features a 5/8 inch hole as well as the 1-inch hole. I don't personally need the 5/8 inch hole option, and the stainless version with the 1-inch hole only is slightly smaller than the original version, as you can see here. Both finishes look amazing. The original has that black satin finish, where the stainless steel has that polished metal look. I'm more of a fan of this kind of like polished look rather than the clear grind look. And I forgot to say, this quick mount actually shipped out within like a day of me ordering it. And I think it was potentially because it was right when it was released. So Darko had some stock ready to go. And here you can just see I'm putting this on a Rogue Monster upright. Works perfectly fine. It's easy to take your Voltra on and off of this quick mount. Yeah, it works as intended. It's a great product, and it is actually, I would say it's better priced than a lot of the Beyond Power mounts that you could buy. And we're going to be talking about those later in this video. Here's the original, the black version. It is slightly, like I was saying, it's a little bit bigger than the stainless steel version, but I think the point of where you can start lifting, like, it's not too big of a variance. And here is the mount on a Fray Fitness cross member. I'm just going to show some compatibilities with this mount on a lot of different products. So the Rogue Mini Feet here fits perfectly well. I actually really like this position for doing bicep curls or any kind of like bar movements. Next we have up the sorinex squat stand. The Rogue and the sorinex uprights are a true 3x3 inch, 1-inch hole upright. The others are like metric. So let's talk about some of the attachments that you can get from Beyond Power. This is the rotator add-on. You need a mount to use this thing. I think it was like $150 when I got it. And I actually really don't like this piece because it doesn't really change the experience of using the Voltra. So my intention was I needed to get something like this to have a better angle when I'm doing like lat pull downs. But because of how the Voltra is designed, you actually don't need something like this even when doing lat pull downs. So I would say that's a pass. I wouldn't get that again. This next one is the adaptive bar mount. I really like this. I showed it in another video with the Voltra strap mount to use it with your machines. This one's really nice because you can put this on any weight horn and you could manipulate the strength curve and add weight to plate loaded machines. You could use this this little flange right here to use it with bands or any other things that you have like TRX systems possibly. But I really like this one because you can put it on weight horns and potentially smaller uprights. Here is the strap mount. This one is I got this one before the adaptive bar mount because I thought I needed one to put it on machines. It gets the job done. It's a little bit loose if you try to use it with machines because the strap is a little bit on the longer side as well as the buckle that it comes with. The strap mount was targeted for travel purposes, so the way I'm using it is probably not what it's intended to do, but it works fine. And here is the fixed rack mount pair. And it's okay for what it is. It's actually really big and it takes a lot of real estate on your upright, so I don't like that. The bolts are really long that come with it, and look at the amount of hole travel that it has and how much space it takes up on this upright. If it can make it a little bit smaller, I think that would be great. Last but not least, we have the sliding rack mount. This makes your Voltra into a functional trainer, and it can slide up and down the upright. They recently did a version 2 on it. It looks a lot better, but I really like this mount as well as the Darko Quickmount. Okay, so in terms of which ones I actually recommend, the sliding rack mount, the Darko Quickmount, and either the adaptive bar mount or the strap mount, depending on the type of machines that you have. The strap mount does have like a nice magnetic backing, which is nice, but I feel like the adaptive bar mount can do almost all of the machine style workouts as the strap mount. I know there are a lot of other Voltra mounts in the works, some that have built-in hacks to double the load on the Voltra, but I haven't had any of those. And here's what I meant by doubling the load. You could use something like this. I think it's called a Rogue Monster post pin. It just basically has a carabiner stuck to the end of it, and you can get another pulley and put it in between this cable, and you could double the load on your Voltra. But anyways, that's going to do it for this video. Be sure you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I will see you guys all in the next one. Peace.